हंसी के ठहाके हो गए, ज्ञान की बातें हो गई। आइए अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं पेट पूजा की ओर, और एक ऐसी जगह ले चलते हैं जो कला से ओत प्रोत है। College canteen is one of the most happening places in any campus. It is also a place where you make some of the best memories of your college life, and the best random talks and gossips also happen here only.
Here are some of the most memorable conversations which happen in college canteens. मनु भाई, आज खाने में क्या बनाया है?
पैसे नहीं है यार, आज तू खिला दे, कल मैं खिला दूंगा।
कंट्रीब्यूट करके खाना मंगा लेते हैं।
तू जाकर सीट ढूंढ, मैं खाना लेकर आता हूँ।
केक मुंह पर लगा इसके। From last moment study to celebrations, everything happens in the canteen.
After all, यही बातें हैं जो बाद में बहुत याद आई। And as artistic is our university, so is our canteen. It is not only known for its savory food, but is also known for its art and craft that it showcases.
The walls of the canteen tell us the untold stories and facilitate joyful and creative expressions.
Our BArch students worked tirelessly under the guidance of Professor Shweta Parekh and Professor Prithviraj Mali,
an internationally acclaimed artist, to fructify the vision of our Honorable President, Madam.
We take you live for the inauguration of the most vibrant and most buzzing place in our campus,
the art-infused college canteen. But before that,
let's watch a brief documentary on the making of this art-infused canteen.
The canteen of academic institutions has its own parameter to celebrate fostering of creative and intellectual minds. It is an open arena for pragmatic talks, engrossing sessions, cracking tittle-tattle, utterance of love, and many delighted moments with mouth-watering cutlets, parathas, tea, coffee, and many more recipes as a gap filler. No doubt our canteen strongly holds these characters as an integrated cultural fabric of sensitivity. In our canteen culture, sensitivity towards intention of idea, which is in the true manner not just a place to time pass, but helps in shaping and understanding social life. Thinking and opinions are inspiring and rise to the different dimensions with innocent lucidity, which is in a true way offers a flavor of life. When it was decided to develop and reframe Canteen's visual appearance to bring on the next level, I took it as an opportunity and tried to rephrase space to a new gesture, a space which come up with a visual sublimity and time frame to the traditional, regional, rational, national, and international art and cultural understanding. Each minute frame surface within a big frame, whispering as its own story of cultural fabric, as like gaunt painting of Pasteur and other frame, say under Barley painting's breath. Susurration from sketch to pop art, which bring out our unity and diversity. The compositions, the lyrics, the music, all initiated by banging the canteen tables. It seems fragmented without Kishore Kumar, popular film like Dosti, Marilyn Monroe, and Michael Jackson. The current pandemic situation reflecting to juxtapose the creation of Adam with sanitizer and Picasso's famous masterpiece Guernica symbolized World War II. Efforts given to capture visual pedagogy into and out of learnings for Indian and Western historical panorama. For the students who were part of this had experienced this learning not as an activity of brush and colors as a pigment, but colors as light towards luminance to illumination, texture to tactile. Colors have their own vocabularies, a psychological reading which leads to metaphor and ambiguity. For them, this activity was expedition to their conceptual ideas, having expressions of emotional viewing, which is literally a path for a free and better society. We are hopeful that such creative visual discourse of cultural understanding will carry towards and forward into next generation of students. I heartily thank to our President Ma'am and Vice President Sir for trusting us.
For us to see a few rock stars performing live. It's time for Raga, a popular upcoming band from Vadodara.
Now, this band is considered to be the most promising band which has performed at various prestigious events across India. They perform across various genres. This band includes a boy who is no stranger to us.
You're talking about Augustine.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Augustine was an automobile student. He is
मैं
Augustine
co-host
is
होने के
blessed
नाते
with immense talent and has a knack of intoxicating the audience with his voice and stage presence. So, ladies and
जी
gentlemen,
नहीं आप मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि मेघना बोलती हुई बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, तो मैं कोई टोक नहीं रहा हूँ, मुझे को होस्ट बनाया गया है, इसलिए मैं इन सारे कलाकारों को जो आपकी कैंटीन में मनोरम दृश्य बनाए हैं, एक डिज़ाइन तो मेरे कुर्ते वाली ही है, ऐसे फूल मुझे दीवार पे दिखाई दिए तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा। और दूसरी बात ये कि भाषा का देखिए, फिर एक वाक्य में उनको अभिनंदन करता हूँ, जो उद्घोषिका थी वो जो गौंड पेंटिंग दिखा रही थी वो बता रही थी बेस्टर की हैं। अब बेस्टर जो है बहुत अच्छा नाम है, बेस्ट से भी अच्छा है वो, तो वो है बस्तर का जो आदिवासी इलाका है वो बस्तर का बेस्टर हो गया, तो हमें तो कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। इसी तरह से उन्होंने जो गुएर्निका पिकासो की कृति है उसको कर्णिका बताया। अब कर्णिका तो आजकल इतनी लोकप्रिय है भाई, कर्णिका के बिना तो मीडिया का काम नहीं चलता, कंगना के बिना नहीं चलता, मणिकर्णिका घाट बताने वाली है तो उससे कंगना का इफेक्टिव एसोसिएशन बन जाता है। लेकिन मैं चमत्कृत था इस ग्राफिटी आर्ट को जो उन्होंने कैंटीन में दिखाई है। मैं समझता हूँ सब एक बार जहाँ भी हैं अनम्यूट हालत में ही